Hi, welcome back. Welcome to my channel GEG Agra or Techie Krish. So in the sequence of Python tutorial, I discussed Python tokens, I discussed conditional statements, I performed some programs also, and this time I am going to discuss the repetitions or the loops. Suppose you want to input a number multiple times, then there are some ways whereby I can enter the numbers. Either I decide 20 identifiers, and for each identifier I should input the value or input the integer, or any other way to get 20 values or multiple values if I use only one variable. Is there any way by which or whereby I can input multiple values? So let's move to our presentation. There I'll show you how to perform repetitions. So I'm going to discuss loops in Python. So what is a loop? So a loop is a segment of code that is executed repeatedly. An iteration is also called a loop. In programming, there are many situations where we have to repeat a set of statements. Suppose we have to input 20 numbers. Should we write input statements 20 times? Or should we have some other way so that we write the input statement only once and it is automatically executed 20 times? Okay, so the repetition may be the specified number of times or as long as a specified condition is true. All programming languages provide looping constructs which are used to automatically repeat a set of statements. So here there are two looping constructs available in Python, and these are number one, while, and other is the for. So in this lesson we shall study these looping constructs. So loops in Python, I'm first going to discuss while loop. So while statement or while is used to repeated execution as long as the specified expression or the condition is true. The syntax of while loop is, so see it very carefully, the syntax of while is like this: while, then you have to give the condition, then we'll have to give the colon, then press the enter key so that the next statement is indented, and from this margin you will have to start writing the block. So as long as the condition given along with the while is true, block 1 is executed. And suppose while the condition given along with while, suppose, is false in the beginning already, then block 1 will not be executed. Why? Because condition is false. So it automatically comes to the else statement or else block, where block 2 is executed. It means block 2 is executed only when the condition taken is false. Okay. So I want to tell you that else part here in this syntax is optional. So if you omit this part in while, there is no error at all. But what should be the execution of the syntax? The execution of the syntax is when the control reaches while statement, the condition is checked. If the condition is found to be true, then the block 1 is executed, and the condition is checked again because there is only one statement. So after performing this statement or block, it comes back to the while to check the condition again. So as long as this condition is true, block 1 is executed, and this process continues as long as the condition given is true. So there is a flowchart where we can check the working of while. Suppose as soon as the control enters the while loop, the first step is to check the condition, that is the expression which is in diamond box, and if this expression or the condition is true, it comes to this direction where block 1 is given, and if this condition is true, block 1 is executed and comes back to while again to check the condition again. So it keeps on doing or repeating the same statement block 1 again and again, and as soon as it becomes false, it comes out of the loop. And suppose initially when it enters the while loop and in the first attempt it finds that the expression is false, it automatically comes to the out of the loop. So this is the flowchart without else statement or without else clause. But in the next diagram you'll find we have included else part also. So as soon as the control enters the while loop and it checks the expression or the condition, and if it is true, then it goes to perform the block 1 and comes back to check the condition again. And suppose when it enters the while loop and it finds the condition false, then it comes to block 2. So it performs block 2 and goes out of the loop. So this is the diagram of flowchart with else clause. So let's take an example so that we can understand the construct, the while construct easily. So following is a script that displays n natural numbers where n is the input from the user. If the user enters 0 or a negative number, the script generates no output. Let's see the script. So this is the script. So here n is equal to eval input enter a number, and suppose I am giving 5 here. Then in the next statement I is set to 1, means the first value of I becomes 1 and I am initializing I as 1. And the next statement, when while is encountered, there I is checked with the value I have entered. The value of n was 5, so the value of I will be checked or compared with 5, and if it is less than equals to 5, then it will print the value of I, then I plus equals to 1, so that here I am going to increase the value of I by 1. So old value of I plus equals to 1 means I is equal to old value of I plus 1, that is the next value of I. So it keeps on repeating this segment 5 times. So after 5 times it automatically comes to the print statement where done is printed. And here if you look at this dull line or grayish line, it shows the program is indented. Okay, so this is how we can see the execution of this code. So when the above code is executed, the user will be prompted to enter the value of n. Let's assume the value is 5. In the next statement, a variable I is initialized to 1. Then the control will reach to the while statement and it will check whether the value is less than equals to 5, and if less than equals to 5, it will print the value of I. Then it will increase the value of I plus equals to 1. So it will repeat the code 5 times. So this is how it prints the natural numbers from 1 to 5. So this is just the beginning of the repetition. So I'll discuss more on while statement and perform other programs also on while. So if you understood, kindly share it with your friends also. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.